Engine leveler has a 3/4 ton, 1,500 pounds, load capacity and is made from rugged, top-quality structural steel. It's ideal for garage, workshop, and agricultural jobs. Fully adjustable, with 3-position chain mount holes to accommodate various engine configurations. Features 14 length chains, each equipped with an L-bracket assembly. Simply attach the chains to the engine and use the crank handle for quick and easy adjustments with the threaded shaft, which balances the load with ease. Top reviews from the United States. Faulty hand crank. First few minutes of dropping in my new crate engine, the crank handle broke completely off. Thank God the trans was not connected. People, please don't be cheap, like me. There's better ones out there.